Welcome to the unit Personality Development. This unit helps in shaping good personality through language. The unit Personality Development is classified into 3 reading sections. They are: A. Attitude is altitude. B. Every success story is also a story of great failures. C. I will do it. Welcome to the reading section, Attitude is Altitude of the unit Personality Development.
Overview. Let us
Learning objectives. By the end of this section, you will be able to explain personality, illustrate essence of attitude, describe the qualities required for the development of personality, write biography sketch, distinguish between defining relative clause and non-defining relative clause, list out the adjectives related to Nick's personality.
Introduction to personality.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word personality? Personality does not mean just physical appearance that is seen from outside. More importantly, it is the combination of characteristics of an individual. Personality includes our way of thinking, how we behave with others in the society, our confidence levels, how well we can communicate with others, are we of positive attitude or negative attitude, how we maintain our body language, how we deal with someone who is inferior physically, mentally, and economically to us. How important is personality? If one wants to reach the set destinations and succeed in life, it is really important to own positive attitude. It is always proved that a person with good personality and positive attitude has reached great heights in his or her life. We should also keep trying till the goal is reached without giving up. Look at the images of few people given on the screen. Have you ever seen or heard of these people? What is the similarity we observe in them? What qualities made these people great? What type of dance is Sudha Chandran demonstrating? Can you guess how Helen Keller got educated through being blind, deaf and dumb? Which country does Stephen Hawking belong to? Do you know the difference between dress and costume? The topic Attitude is Altitude describes how determination and positive attitude made Mr. Nick Vujicic an ideal personality to look up to. His physical disability of having no limbs did not stop him from being a successful person in the world and enjoying life in general. His life journey is a great source of inspiration for many. The son of a computer programmer and a female nurse, Nick was admitted to a general school rather than a special school in his childhood. In order to make his son independent, Nick's father taught his son typing with the help of his toe at the age of 6. Nick claims his small toe as his chicken drumstick. Nick believed in evangelical Christianity and chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. He was humiliated mentally many a times by his co-students and others. Once he even took an extreme step at the age of 10 by trying to drown himself in the bathtub, but his attempt was not successful, luckily. His life proves that disability does not hinder the success if one's intentions and aims are strong enough. Today, he delivers motivational speeches all over the world by setting an example to others. Let us also focus on Nick's achievements. At the tender age of 18 months, Nick learned to swim with the help of his father. In 1990, he won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. Nick is a certified surfer too and graced the Surfer magazine with 48 hours of his achievement. He can spin 360 degrees on his board. Besides water sports, he also plays football and golf. As a